Hey, what's going on, guys? Mikey T here again, the producer and director of Jamaica Story, a documentary all about the importance of Jamaicans worldwide and those who love Jamaica investing time as well as money into the country. In the same world where industries are realizing that college degrees don't mean better employees and outcomes for companies, PAC Kingston Airport Limited, or PACAL, the operator of Norman Manley International Airport in Kingston, has defended its decision to require a degree for applicants applying for a car park attendant role amid public criticism. The company recently faced backlash after job listings specified that an applicant must have a bachelor's degree in tourism management, marketing, or a related field, along with intermediate proficiency in Spanish and strong verbal and written communication skills. In a statement issued on Monday, PACAL explained that as a growing company, it aims to recruit graduates who have the potential to develop within the organization. To support this goal, the company has decided to waive the work experience requirement and instead prioritize educational qualifications that will enable candidates to progress into other areas of the business. Pacquiao also highlighted that over the past 5 years, six car park attendants have advanced to higher roles within the company, thanks to their degrees. While education is important and allowing management to grow through the ranks are a great idea set, making it mandatory for an entry level job is disheartening to say the least. So now students must get a loan and struggle for 4 years to get out of college for an entry level position, a position that probably could have paid for the schooling for some students who have to work and attend college simultaneously. Instead of looking to create an expanding economy with work that is fit for the young adults coming out of college, this company is taking jobs from one set and giving it to the next. I have a couple questions, and basically this: will the pay increase drastically to cover these increased expenses of the workers? When you have a department full of bachelor's degree holders, will management promotion require a master's degree? What skills does a bachelor's degree give the person that is performing the task at hand? Yes, we want to advance as a country, but we have to do that without belittling those who didn't have the means to take out a loan and go to college. Stating that you're looking for employees who are loyal to the company and want to grow within the company, why don't you give them wages that are equivalent to their training and services and allow them to have a pension and treat them like human beings who are allowed to have a life outside of work? Requiring degrees without changing company culture won't change a thing. To understand it with a metaphor, think about McDonald's. If I want to become a general manager of a McDonald's and start from the bottom, that's fine. But would it make sense to make the minimum requirement for a staff job for me to have a bachelor's degree? Do better.